Hi everyone, and thank you for coming back and joining me for math. Today for math we're going to be focused on money, but just specifically focusing on pennies. So we know that a penny is worth 1 cent. So with pennies, we count by ones up to 100, which equals $1. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, so forth and so on. So we reach 100, which equals $1. So today, for math, like I said, we're just focusing on pennies. So with money, we've been working on calculating similar and different coins. We've been matching coins to amounts. So now we're going to kind of backtrack and do a whole review to take us to the end of the school year. We'll be focusing on just pennies, focusing on just nickels, focusing on just dimes, focusing on just quarters, and then combining them all together again, which will take us to the end of the school year. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to model 2 problems on my whiteboard that I'm going to go over and explain the worksheet that you're going to be completing for math, and then you're going to complete the rest of the worksheet on your own. So we know that a penny is worth 1 cent, and we count by ones up to 100 until we reach $1. So for us to look at my first group of pennies, I know that this group is worth 2 cents since I have 2 pennies. 1, 2, so that is 2 cents. And you want to make sure that you're always writing the cent sign after it so we know exactly what we're talking about. So when I see 2 cents, I know exactly that we're talking about money. Now going over to my second group, let's see how many cents I have total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means I have 6 cents in my second group. So today for math, you're going to pull out Count the Money worksheet that has pennies on it. Okay, it has 2 sides to it. So at the top right corner, you're going to see money. Then you're going to see 1 penny equals 1 cent, and the title is Count the Money. This is found in your packet, and then you're also going to need a pencil. So it has 2 sides to it. Again, the title is Money, 1 penny equals 1 cent, and Count the Money. I'd like you to find this in your packet and gather a pencil as well. And then what I want you to do is I want you to go on the side that looks like this of the worksheet. I want you to be on this side of the worksheet, okay? So it starts off with 2, 4, you'll see 6 pennies in the first column, okay? If you need extra time gathering that from your packet, pause the video, because what we're going to do is we're going to complete 2 problems together, and then you're going to complete the 6 problems on your own. So again, make sure that you're on the side that looks like this, and in the first box it has a total of 6 pennies, okay? First thing you're going to do is there is a slot for your name, so let's begin writing our first and last name. Okay, so now what we're going to do is for each box, you're going to count the pennies and then write the amount here. Remember that a penny equals 1 cent, and we count by ones up to 100 until we reach $1. So let's count the first box together to determine how many pennies we have total. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 pennies total, so I'm going to write 6 cents in the box, making sure that you're including the cent sign after your number. Okay, and then we'll complete one more problem together, so let's drop down to the second box and let's count and let's see the total number of pennies that we have together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now in this box, I'm going to write 8 cents. So now your job is you're going to complete the rest on your own. You're going to complete the last 2 problems on this side, and then you're going to flip your paper over, and you're going to complete the back 4 problems on your own by writing the amount in the boxes just like we did here. Remember, a penny is 1 cent, and we count by ones up to 100, which equals $1. After you're done with your worksheet and completed the 2 problems on the front and then the 4 problems on the back, have your parents, an adult, or an older sibling send me a picture of your work so I can view it. And then that would be it for math today. So remember, before you watch the math video, you should have completed the writing and the life skills activity, and then the math was our last activity of the day. I'm also going to send an additional link for CNN student use so you can watch current events. And just a friendly reminder that there is no school on Monday, so you have a long 3-day weekend again. So we're going to pick back up with learning on Tuesday, June 2nd, with day 28 in our packet, okay? So just again, there's no school on Monday, June 1st. You have a long weekend, and we're gonna pick back up with school on Tuesday, June 2nd, with day 28 in our packet. Okay, I'll also post another friendly reminder on Google Classroom as well. So I hope you all have a wonderful long 3-day weekend, and you get to enjoy some of the sunshine that's going to be out. And I can't wait to hear what you did over the weekend when we see each other for our classroom Zoom meeting on Tuesday. See you all really soon.